Here comes Booba. I wonder why he needs a hat.
Hi, Booba. Are you picking out a hat?
That's a tough choice, Booba.
This one suits you for sure.
I agree.
You look like a star. Let me try it on too. This one's too big. Here, you take that one. Oh, this one looks good on me.
It really does.
Here you go. But you know, Booba, something's missing from your look.
What could it be?
A friendship necklace.
A friendship necklace?
Let's try it on. No, like this, from the other side. Booba, please sit down. It still doesn't fit. It's too small for you.
How disappointing.
But don't worry. What if we make a huge friendship necklace that's just for you? That'll be fun, right? Let's do it.
What a great idea.
Wow, look at all of this stuff. Oh, and here's the guide. Okay, we'll need a thick thread or a cord and some pretty beads. Got it. Oh, look, Booba. What a lovely yellow ribbon. Oh, that's turning out so nice. I'll make one too.
They look like real ribbon dancers.
It's so fun playing with you. All right, now let's go finish up our super friendship necklace. Look, this ribbon is the perfect fit. We just need to add some pretty beads. Here they are. Oh, but they're too small for you, Booba. We need another idea. Got any, Booba? Come on. Maybe these ones? What is he thinking of now? Wow, Booba, what's that?
What does Booba have in the box?
So many things. Wow, that is a lot. Okay, let's put this box away. Thank you. Look, ta-da! Look what I can do. Okay, let's finish up our friendship necklace here. You can hold this, and I'll take that one so we can hold up the balloon. And this, up, up, and these ones. Finally, the friendship necklace is ready, so let's put it on you, Booba.
What a beautiful friendship necklace. It suits Booba perfectly.
Booba, now your look is complete. High five.
Here comes Booba. I wonder what's inside the boxes. A xylophone? A tambourine? And a drum.
Hi, Booba. I finally found you. So, Booba, have you seen my musical instruments? Yeah, thanks. Let's see. That's not it. Not that either. The drum's not it. Booba, have you seen my maracas? You don't know what maracas are? Booba, there are these little things you shake them like this and make music with them. I have an idea. Let's make our own maracas. Come on, let's go.
What a good idea.
Wow, so many interesting things here. And here are the instructions. Booba, we have to first fill, then close, decorate, and shake. Super easy. So let's see what we need. Bottles, caps, something loose, and decorations. I'll take these two.
This will be lots of fun.
Booba, here's one just your size. Here we go. Let's take funnels, 2 different fillers, and pour them in. Now we close the bottles. Booba, look how different they sound.
A nice tune.
Uh-huh. Well, now it's your turn to make one.
You're so funny.
Booba! Booba! You're gonna make a mess like that! Wait! I know what will help you. Take the funnel. No, not like that. Like this. Now pour it in. And now the beans. That's enough. Okay, good. And check your sound. And now mine. Sounds great. Now let's decorate. Well, I think they turned out cute. Are you ready for a concert? You got something in mind? I wonder what you'll come up with now. Is that a sombrero?
You both made great maracas. Here comes Booba. What's that, Booba? It's a ball. What did you find now? Oh, it's a future Booba stuffed toy. Even juggling pins. Amazing! A racket too. Ooh, who is that?
Oh, hi, Booba! What are we gonna play with today? Oh, a racket! Let's play! I have a ball. Here it goes. Oh! Cubes! Let's build a house with them. No, a castle. Let's build a tower.
Great idea.
Whoa! There are enough pieces to build a giant tower to the skies!
That like fun.
Already, Booba. Shall we play? Booba, place the pieces carefully so the tower doesn't fall down. Booba, careful! If you pull one out, the tower may fall. You have an idea? Booba, well done! Good idea! I don't want the tower to fall on our heads. Booba, well done! Booba, it's your turn now. Booba, you did it! I did it too! Good job!
Watch out!
Booba! Booba, it's so much fun playing with you! Woo!